Hello, I'm Bob Erickson, and we have 3 pieces for auction for the Cherry Creek Arts Festival this 4th of July weekend. And I'm going to talk about the first one here is this South Yuba floating back rocker. This one is on the auction site. You can see some photographs of it there. And just a few features of the chair which we like a lot is that the floating back is these red elm flexible slats that are sliding in the headboard, in a Teflon lined headboard at the top. So you can see that when a person sits in it, that there actually is good lumbar support, and the hands fall naturally and you can wrap around. It's good for both the hands and the fingers. And we adjust, in custom sizing this, we actually do adjust some measurement. This is our standard size. It fits most everyone. And this is a little bit of that crotch figure single plank seat, which makes this chair particularly outstanding in the probably hundreds and hundreds of these that I've made over the years.